reckless, reckless, reckless. Why you so reckless? I can't accept this. Every day you're trying the same old shit. So why you so reckless? I don't forget shit. You say you're gonna change and don't change shit. I wanna breathe, you're telling me leave. You say come back as soon as I walk out. Why you so reckless? You made my head work. Why you so reckless?
Dare you break my heart again? Leave me in the dark with the hardest pain. I ain't on a path where I can't be blamed. You start shit knowing that I can't be tamed. You bust jokes about real shit. I'm always on a serious vibe. When the fear in my mind subsides and it's clear in my mind and my pride won't eat me alive. I will start giving reasons to keep me for life. Treating me right doesn't mean that you're leaving my side. Every time you decide we should speak in the night, knowing that's gonna lead to a fight. I'm cool chilling, you're all swinging, getting in my face, telling me to take 5. Keep telling me your lies, devil in disguise. I ain't never trying to settle when you never wanna ride. Pretending to cry when I mention a guy getting sensitive, sense preventing my strides in life. I ain't ever been a sensible type. Locked in your chains, telling me I've got to be sane. Go see one of your friends, don't tempt me tonight, so come to the end of the line.
Why you so reckless? I can't accept this. Every day you're trying the same old shit. So why you so reckless? I don't forget shit. You say you're gonna change and don't change shit. I wanna breathe, you're telling me leave. You say come back as soon as I walk out. Why you so reckless? You made my head work. Why you so reckless?
I dare you fuck with my feelings. It's not that time, no I'm not that guy. Carry on acting nuts on the beef team. Trust me, we're beefing. I don't wanna be what I've been in. Still I let you get in my face and start screaming. I could be out there creeping, but I don't. I do what you proper, I'm not even cheating. You want me to be deep in? Give me a reason, give me something to believe in. The whole of my life I've been seeking for something real that's got meaning. All of the hype I'm not needing. I don't wanna live my life in that vibe with the fights. At the time I try to lie at night inside it's not right. It feels like I'm grieving. Plus I'm dealing with the shit that I keep in. Your demons are so deceiving, they make it hard breathing. Too much stress in my chest, like say a man's reason. I don't really need them. This back and forth makes my head twist. So why you gotta be so reckless?
Why you so reckless? I can't accept this. Every day you're trying the same old shit. Why you so reckless? I don't forget shit. You say you're gonna change and don't change shit. I wanna breathe, you're telling me leave. You say come back as soon as I walk out. Why you so reckless? You made my head worse. Why you so reckless?